Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I did a video on how I fix my hammers or keep my hammers going a little bit longer. This is a free hammer I got at a garage sale. In that video I talk about how to use this stuff, put on here with some duct tape. It'll help your handle last a little longer. This handle is on here pretty good, but it's real chewed up on the bottom. You can tell whoever it was did this type of thing a lot. And right here, it got grooved out. I don't know, a chunk is missing there. So I figured, I showed this in the other video. I would show those of you that want to know how to fix, how I'm going to fix it anyway. How I'm going to do it anyhow. And first of all, I'm just going to kind of take and maybe cut this off of here. I don't know, I need to maybe get a new... Yeah, this is still good. Probably should use a safer method than I'm using here to kind of cut, just cutting the rubber off, excess rubber off the bottom here. There we go. No idea what you can and can't see. You can tell this thing got abused pretty bad, but it's still in pretty good shape as far as the head is concerned. The head's on there nice and tight. It just, the handle sucks on it, and I think we can probably do something to kind of work with that. And I cut the fingers off of some of these leather gloves for welding. I'll have to do a video on that. I actually don't have a video on that right now, I don't think. But I'm going to take a chunk of that right there and cut it off. Kind of maybe go in there and take up that space a little bit here. And then I got this PVC 20 mil for wrapping gas pipes. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get another chunk and lay in there of glove. And I'm going to wrap around that with some electrical tape. Once again, this is just kind of, I don't care how it looks. So I realized a couple things. Two things, I was probably out of frame because I didn't have I had my camera too close. Second of all, I ran out of SD card and I have no idea where I was when the SD card ran out. I need to make it so this thing beeps at me when it's going to run out. Regardless, as you can see, I've kind of fixed the bottom of it. Fixed is a term of, you know, how do you want to really use the word fixed. But what I did is I actually have the other half of it here. This is that finger. I actually popped open the seam that was around the tip of it there, pulled it open, kind of butterflied it open, and it had a piece like this. I put that over the end here, cut the glove so it kind of made the same shape but still kind of went around the edges. Threw some duct tape on there, and then I've wrapped it in electrical tape, which I'm actually going to put more on because I can still see some of the duct tape, and I actually want to finish off by kind of going around here as well. Actually, I think I could have maybe left that on there and did kind of the same thing, but I think all in all this does pretty well. I don't know why it's not. Electrical tape doesn't want to tear. Yet again, we are not going for show queen quality here. We are going for, it was a free hammer that I got, and it'll work for the job. I'm going to hit things with it, and that's all I need. And it actually feels pretty good. This has got a pretty good bounce to it, as far as if it does hit on something, it's fairly soft into it. It's fairly nice. I don't tend to use my handle to beat on things like a lot of people do, so I'm happy with that. It'll do the job. To each their own. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.